guys, guess what we are gonna do today? That's right, we are gonna race some Lego Technic pullback trash cars. So yeah, so this car actually works like something like when we rotate the wheel backward, it just spins forward, so which is a good thing. And at the front, when you hit something hard, then this thing bounces off. It looks like it's gonna get trashed. So I'll show an example at the end of the video. But first, I got this wood pieces lined up and a jump over there. Well, not exactly a big jump, but I got it. And I'm gonna use, I'm in my home, so it's kind of dirty. And so I'm gonna use this car. So I actually have another one, which is with this one. I have another pullback car, but I'm not going to use that because I have some problems in that. And there I have my Burj Khalifa over here, Lego Burj Khalifa, and there I got the Burj Khalifa and other Dubai Gate and all over there, and my brand new Lego cars over here. Shout out to them. So let's begin with our race. Not exactly a race, it's just a stunt. So tick, tick, boom. That actually went well. Wait, is that? Guys, do I see a red color thing over there? It's not the car. Let's go check it out. Yep, it is something. The car is somewhere over there and something's over here. Let me read it out. Okay, so I read it out and it's no pain and no gain. Left out message by the car we just raced. That's kinda strange. And we're back. So now I'm going to transform the whatever we just built. So I'm gonna transform it into like. Should I make it more? No. So hey, you're gonna transform it. It is not going so well, guys. I am telling you, it is not going so well. So let's start. So the chair is little crumbed. And we have the beanbag over there. So if I pull my car, then guess where it's gonna fall? Is it on the chair or on the beanbag or on the ground? And whoever chose ground, they won. Time to. Ooh, chair. It almost fell down. Ooh, yeah, that time it did fall. And I got a new thing when it fell. So that's how it comes out. So I'll show you an example right now. So as per it is the end of the video, so I'm going to show an example. So guys, and I'm going to start. So I'm going to show how the front part falls. So yeah, as you can see, you just saw how it fell. So yeah. So it's basically simple. As you can see, this part moves, and when I keep this red part, whatever it is, and well, I call it the engine actually. See, as you can see, it stays like this, and when this thing hits the wall from here, it stays like this, and boom, it goes up. So see that again. So I'll keep the review of these two cars in another. I kept these two review of these cars in the last video. So go check that out. You will get to know it. Well, it actually didn't blast because it was sideways, and it didn't blast again because there is something wrong. Yeah, that's more like it. So I'm going to give you a review of my cars. So go check that out, and I'm gonna do a slow motion vid on this blast thing for two cars, and the next vids I might even keep races of these two cars. And one more thing, guys, go check out the new channel we just kept. So my friends just started a new channel. It's named as the Terrific Dudes. So go check that out. So basically, it's not. So we did challenges. That it's a group channel. We just do things like spin a wheel and just decide what everyone does like that. It's kind of creepy and amazing. So go check that out. And for this, how about you click that like button and subscribe button. It's in red color, the car which is I just chose. See, I just keep pushing it back and it keeps coming up. If this video gets at least 10 likes, I'll make a crazy track and put this car on it. So it's not gonna be, well, I'll try to make it turning and all, but because it doesn't quite turn. It just crashed. Yeah, there it is. Click that subscribe button if you want this car to hit that camera right now. Wow, it actually hit that. Your subscribe works, bro. So yeah, guys, go check out the new channel and we'll be uploading a new video. So I just uploaded a Hot Wheels video. I'm going to upload Hot Wheels video in the Terrific Dudes channel. So go check that out. If you want, I can keep this in the description below, but no, I'm not gonna keep it as per my the part isn't working, so I gotta repair that ASAP. Anyway, see you guys.